Hey, it's JC here at JC's Comics and More, your pop culture superstore at 6725 West Central Avenue. That is Toledo, Ohio. 43617 419 531 6097. JC's Comics and More at Hotmail, and you can find the Facebook link in the description below. This is Tuesday, January 4th, 2022. The 4th already. And this year is burning by. I've got my DC product here, so we're going to do that. Then I've got my Diamond product and got some merchandise as well. So, let's see what we got in here. So we've got the B cover on the Dark Knights of Steel, number 3. Get those right there. We've got the B cover on Detective 1047 right there. I think that's the B cover. Or maybe this is, I think this is the 1 in 25 on that. And I think it's the 1 in 25. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. I think it is. I think this is the 1 in 25 on Batman 119. So we've got like 3 Bat titles already. For the first year of the DC product. Here's World of Krypton number 2. That's the B cover on that. Here is the A cover on World of Krypton number 2. And I think I mentioned it before. These logos are pretty boring. They're pretty generic. It used to be a time when letterists, again, a lot of these letterists these days are not really letters because they're using programs. You know, any monkey can use a program. But there's a time when letterists would actually hand letter. You think Amazing Spider-Man, you think Fantastic Four, you think Superman, Batman, that those are from programs. No, that was actually artists. The letterists actually used those and lettered them by hand. Got Superman, Son of Kal-El, number 6. That is a B cover right there. You know, stuff I do for my title dividers. This is hand lettered. That's not some program that some monkey's using. Here's Nightwing number 87. We got some more of these reorders in. This is the issue that goes through, and every page is a full page, and it's just going right through one continuous story. If you've not had a chance to pick this up yet, I certainly encourage you to pick it up. It's very cool. Suicide Squad number 11. This is the A cover versus Earth 8's Mightiest Heroes. They're taking on the Marvel versions of those heroes. Soul Plumber number... Oh, there's a damaged copy there. So my first DC damaged of the year. Soul Plumber number 4 of 6. This is the A cover on that. One Star Squadron number 2. Did anyone read the first issue? And did you, if you read it, what did you think of it? And this right here reminds me of an old friend of mine from high school, Tom Bortel. His sister would use something like that. He'd fall asleep on the couch and she would wake him up in the morning and bop it. That was her bopper. And Mary, boy, it really made Tom not a happy camper. Here's Justice League Infinity number 7 with a cover that screams, "Run away as fast as you can." Horrible, horrible artwork. Just stare at this. We're going to stare. I'm going to let you guys stare at this for a while. That way your eyes will burn out. It's horrible, horrible artwork. Doesn't scream by me what's in any way, shape, or form. Justice League Incarnate number 3. This is the Peacemaker cover. So that's what those, is that what those covers are? No. I was looking at that Detective and that Batman. I wasn't sure, maybe they might be Peacemaker covers. There's Justice League Incarnate number 3. That is the B cover. Here's Justice League Incarnate number 3, the A cover on that. Got some more of those Justice League Incarnate number 3s right there. Here's Detective. Detective number 1047. Right there. Here is the B covers on Soul Plumber number 4, and I see that they're starting to run the ads for the Batman film coming out March 4th. It appears to be kind of a light week for DC. I know there's 11 Marvels coming out this week. DC usually always tends to stack the deck with product. There is the A cover on Dark Knights of Steel number 3. What do you guys think of this? Special guest star Loki. We've got Arkham City, The Order of the World. This is issue number 4 of 6. That is the B cover on that. There is the A cover on that. Superman, Son of Kal-El, number 6. Here is the A cover on that. We'll see how well it sells. 5 tanked pretty badly. Suicide Squad number 11. This is the B cover. So we have the Joker Puzzle Box, issue 6. There is the B cover. There is the A cover. Detective 1047, that is the B cover. Crush and Lobo number 8 of 8. This is the last issue of the series. Did not buy any shelf copies of this. That it started off selling poorly and then really went into the tank. And then finally, looks like we have Batman 119. That is the B cover. And the A cover on Batman 119. If you like these videos, as always, be sure to please subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel out greatly. And when you subscribe, smash the bell, like, comment, and share. And I hope everybody, again, has had a great Christmas and a great New Year's. Don't forget to thank your comics retailer on Wednesday, tomorrow, January 5th. And wish him a Happy New Year as well. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate it.